All right, Dennis Richic, CroatianSports.com, Staples Center, California. I'm here with Miami Heat center Justin Hamilton. Justin, we're here for you, man. We're here to find out how Croatian are you exactly?
I'm half Croatian. My mother's from Zagreb.
Was she born in Zagreb, or?
Yes, born in Zagreb.
So, did she teach you the language? Like, how do you speak the language?
Here and there. When I was younger, I actually lived in Croatia for a little while. Then when I played with Cibona, I picked up more and more of the language. She taught me here and there, but it's just so hard to speak when no one else speaks it here in the U.S.
Tell me your time in Cibona. Like, I know you were. How long were you there for?
I was there for, I think, 6 months, 5 months, something like that.
How did you communicate with your teammates?
I spoke English and Croatian, yeah, a little bit of mix as I was there longer. I spoke more and more Croatian. I understand Croatian pretty well, just hard for me to speak.
I've heard that you're interested in possibly playing for the Croatian national team. Has there been any talks regarding that, or?
No, there hasn't been any formal talks, but it would be nice to play for them at some point in my career.
And do you listen to any like Croatian music? Do you follow any Croatian sports like Hajduk Dinamo? Like
here and there, I always meet random people being in Miami from Croatia. There's Bogdanovic that plays for the Nets. I see them. When I was younger, I went to a Dinamo game, so when I have the chance, I like to watch them if I can, but here and there.
So when you caught Dinamo, it was obviously in Zagreb at Maksimir, or what were you?
Yes, at Maksimir.
When you were growing up, did you have any? Did you follow any Croatian players like Kukoc or some of those Croatian players? Did you have any jerseys? Were you a fan of any of the Croatian players in the league?
Yeah, I was a fan. I heard their names and cheered them on. I didn't really follow basketball that much when I was younger, but I knew who they were, and so out of any of the players, I'd follow them more than others.
Here you're born in Newport Beach. Have you been to any of the Croatian places in LA, like Croatian Hall, the Cultural Center, things like that?
I've been to the consulate before.
Okay.
But most times when I come here, I see my Croatian family go to their homes. I haven't been to anywhere else though.
Do you have your Croatian citizenship?
Yes, I do.
Oh, perfect. Okay, well, thanks for taking your time with us, and good luck the rest of the way.